Namaskar friends, welcome back to Prashant Sir Official. Dear friends, have you ever wondered why tablet defects occur during the manufacturing? What causes them at the compression stage? And what about the defects that appear during coating? Well, today I have got all the answers for you. What are the defects which cause at compression stage, which cause at coating stage, and what are the remedies? Everything I am going to explain in this session. If you are looking for the best way to understand these defects and learn how to resolve them, you are in the right place. So let us dive deep into the tablet defects and their remedies. Stay tuned and let's get started. Tablet defects and remedies. Visual tablet defects are primarily classified into three categories. Number 1 related to process, number 2 related to formulation, number 3 related to machine. Now let's explore the defect one by one. First, related to manufacturing process. Capping, chipping, cracking, mottling, lamination. These are the defects are related to manufacturing process. Now let us understand these defects one by one. Number 1, capping. What is the meaning of capping? Capping means the upper or lower part of the tablet separates from the main body. Look at these images. Right? Cause might be air entrapment, improper binder, high compression force. And what is the remedy? The use of proper granulation technique, optimize the compression force, modify formulation. Second defect is lamination. What is the meaning of lamination? The tablet splits into multiple layers. What is the cause? Rapid decompression. Weak granules or lubrication cause the lamination defect. What is the remedy then? Adjust the compression speed, optimize the binder level, reduce lubricant amount. Lamination look like this. Chipping means small pieces break up from the tablet edge. Look at these images. Cause insufficient binder, worn punches, high tablet hardness. What is the remedy then? Increase binder concentration, replace punches, optimize hardness. Now cracking. What is the meaning of cracking? A defect of tablets where small fine cracks are observed on the upper and lower central surface of tablet or on the sidewall as well. Look at these images. Now what is the cause for cracking? Too dry or large granules. Elastic excipients are being used in granules. Exchange or lessen the elastic excipients. Inadequate binder. These are the causes of cracking. What is the remedy? Dry the granules properly, moisten the granules properly, use proper quantity of binder or use correct excipients. Another defect is mottling. What is the meaning of mottling? Uneven color distribution on the tablet surface mean mottling. Sometime mottled tablet are accepted if your specification says that in order to give and different look, people may manufacture mottled tablet. That is acceptable. But your description is saying something, and if you observe the mottling on the tablet, then this is called as a defect. So what is the cause for that? Cause for mottling is usually uneven dye distribution, improper blending, or sometimes it is related to API degradation because of high temperature, high pressure, or any other reasons. Remedy: improve your blending time, use appropriate excipient, ensure proper storage. Now, let's explore the defects related to formulation. Formulation related defects क्या है? Binding, sticking, picking. Let us explore one by one. What is the binding? Binding is related to binding in the die, meaning binding is a tablet defects where a tablet adheres, seizes or tears in the die, and powder added to the punch edges and die punches may bind in die difficult for ejection. Look at this image. Now what is the cause? Excess binder, too moist granules, too hard granules, inadequate lubricants or hygroscopic ingredients may cause the binding defect. What is the remedy? Use proper amount of binder, dry granules properly, process under low humid conditions. If you are using the hygroscopic ingredients, then you must process under low humid condition, that is RH below 20% or sometime lesser than that, depending on the nature of your ingredients being used. Now, sticking and picking. What is the meaning of sticking and picking? Sticking occurs when the material adheres to the punch surface. Picking is when a portion of the tablet surface is removed. Look at this image. What is the cause? Excess moisture, low melting point of API or high humidity may be the cause for sticking and picking. What is the remedy? Dry granules properly, use anti-adherents and control the humidity, that is relative humidity, RH. Now, defects which are related to machine, uneven breakage or double impression. Uneven breakage. What is the meaning of uneven breakage? It is a tablet defects where the tablet breaks unevenly into two parts, that is not broken in line with score line or break line. हमने देखा है कि टैबलेट को तोड़ने के लिए एक ब्रेक लाइन दिया जाता है, स्कोर लाइन दिया जाता है. अगर हम टैबलेट को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करना चाहते हैं तो एग्जैक्टली ये ब्रेक लाइन पे टूटना चाहिए, उसके लिए ही वो स्कोर लाइन दिया रहता है. अदरवाइज अगर ये इस तरह से टूटता है देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज अनइवन ब्रेकेज. It is considered as one of the tablet defect. What is the cause? Cause is coarse or uneven size granules, improper mixing, air entrapment. What is the remedy? Mill the material properly, sift properly, optimize mixing time, increase the dwell time by reducing the turret speed. Double impression. What is the meaning of double impression? Look at these images. Unwanted imprinting of a design or logo on the tablet. Cause free movement of punches, improper cam track setting. Use, what is the remedy? Use anti-turning device and adjust cam setting, cam track settings. Now we are switching to the tablet defects which are related to the coating, that means tablet coating defects and remedies for those kind of defects. So now let's explore the defects related to tablet coating and understand the remedies for the same. What are the types of tablet coating defects? Categories of defects: number 1, adhesion and surface defects. Number 2, mechanical defects. Number 3, aesthetic defects. First we understand the adhesion and surface defects. These are categorized further in 3, that is sticking and picking, blistering, peeling. Let us understand one by one. What is the meaning of picking and sticking? This defect occur on core tablet as well as coated tablet. Meaning of picking and sticking in case of coated tablet. That tablet sticks to each other or to the coating pan due to excessive tackiness. Cause high spray rate, soft tablet core, low atomization air pressure. Remedies: reduce spray rate, optimize drying, increase atomization pressure and pan speed. What is blistering? Blistering is when the coating defects where the film become detached from the substrate forming a blister. हम जो ब्लिस्टरिंग करते हैं, छाले पड़ते हैं, ऐसा ये टैबलेट दिखता है जब ये ब्लिस्टरिंग काइंड ऑफ डिफेक्ट आता है. कॉज क्या हो सकता है? एंट्रैपमेंट ऑफ गैसेस और वेपर इन और अंडर द फिल्म, effect of temperature on the adhesion, elasticity and strength of the film. What is the remedy? Use milder drying conditions. Peeling off means the formation of uneven or rough irregularities on the surface of coating film applied on a core tablet. Peeling. What is the meaning of peeling? Peeling off means the formation of uneven or rough irregularities on the surface of coating film applied on a core tablet. What is the cause? Cause is excessive attritional effects, low adhesion core ingredients and or low adhesion coating system. What is the remedy? Reduce the span speed, use high adhesion core ingredients and or coating system. Look at these images. Peeling look like this. You can understand what is the meaning of peeling looking at these images. Next, mechanical defects. Mechanical defects include chipping, cracking, twinning. What is the meaning of chipping? Chipping means pieces of a coating film break away from the tablet surface. Look at these images. Cause: over drying, weak film adhesion, excessive mechanical stress. What is the remedy? Remedies are: optimize drying parameters, use stronger film forming agents. Cracking and splitting. What is the meaning of this? The coating develops visible cracks due to stress or brittleness. Look at these images. What is the cause? High internal stress, brittle coating film, improper drying conditions. Coating and core have different thermal expansion properties. These are the causes. What are the remedies? Adjust a plasticizer concentration, optimize drying condition, avoid mineral type of excipients. Now, what is the meaning of twinning? Twinning means two or more tablets stick together and fail to separate properly. Look at these images. Cause: high tackiness, low tumbling action in the coating pan, inappropriate tablet shape. Usually flat surfaces have this kind of problem. What are the remedies? Increase the span speed, reduce spray rate, adjust formulation and avoid flat surface tablets. Now, types of tablet coating defects related to aesthetic defects. What are the aesthetic defects? It is overall appearance of the coated tablets. Number 1, color variation. Number 2, roughness. Number 3, blooming or dull film. Now, color variation means uneven color distribution on the tablet surface. Defect where the visible differences in the color of film are found from tablet to tablet. Look at these images. Both are having same color but having different shades. So what is the cause? Poor pigment dispersion, inconsistent spray rate, varying drying conditions, inadequate mixing of tablet. What are the remedies? Proper mixing of colorants, uniform application of spray solution, correct gun setup, use geometric mixing to avoid the color variation. Orange peel or roughness. Roughness usually called as orange peel in case of tablet defects related to coating. What is the meaning? Rough or bumpy tablet surface. Surface is extremely rough and non-glossy, often taking on the appearance of the skin of an orange. तो ऑरेंज की स्किन जैसा दिखती है वैसा ये टैबलेट दिखती है, इसलिए उसको ऑरेंज पील बोलते हैं. Cause what causes the orange peel? High viscosity of coating solution, fast drying, poor atomization, very close gun to bed distance. What are the remedies? Adjust the polymer concentration, reduce drying speed, improve atomization, adjust gun to bed distance. Blooming or dull film. What is the meaning? It is the fading of dwelling of a coated tablet color after a prolonged period of the storage at high temperature. What are the cause? High concentration of the plasticizer, low molecular plasticizers, plasticized coating system. What is the remedy? Use a lower concentration of plasticizer, use high molecular weight of plasticizer. How blooming look likes or dull film look likes? ओरिजिनल हमारा टैबलेट ऐसा था, ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ये ऐसा हो गया, दैट मीन्स इट इज ब्लूमिंग डिफेक्ट. So friends, that brings us to the end of today's session. I hope you found this discussion insightful and valuable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, I request you to hit the bell icon so that you will receive notification for all upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if you have any questions. Follow me for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.